Thank you for your purchase on Motocross 3-in-1 tricycle. This tricycle comes with attractive looks, strong body base, water sipper, foldable umbrella and wide wheelbase at back for a perfect riding balance. This tricycle is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You will also need a piler, screwdriver and a hex key. To begin with, take the main body and place seat to main body with the help of butterfly nuts. Then insert front wheel complete to main body. In the next step, place handle to fork and fix the handle with the help of provided plastic flower nut. It's time to place foot rest to main body, use nut screw to fix it. Now is the time to place handrest to main body, lock it with the help of push buttons. Now place umbrella to main body with the help of lock buttons. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body and fix it with the Pruvite screw and lock button. Now fix movement rod to flute pipe with the help of provided nuts on both backside and on the handle. It's time to place parental handle to flute pipe and fix it with the lock button. Now fix parental handle to pipe with the help of nut and machine screw. In the last step, place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pins on both the side. It is easy to lock it by just pushing it to the main body and lock it. For finishing touch, place bottle to the bottle stand. Your beautiful Motocross 3-in-1 tricycle is now ready to ride.